and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my April Yes Oh Yes unbagging and my March review. So if you guys want to see what I got for April and hear about how March's bag went for me, then keep watching. If you don't know what Yes Oh Yes is, it is a monthly subscription service that is $14.99 a month. You get 3 to 7 full-size items in every bag, and in every single bag you get some sort of palette, whether it's an eyeshadow palette, blush, highlight, you guys get the idea. You always get a palette. I am a brand ambassador for Yes Oh Yes, so if you guys want to sign up, I do have a link below. I do get a little something if you use my link, and if you use my link, thank you so much. I appreciate it, and I hope you enjoy your bag. If you have any questions about Yes Oh Yes, just please ask in the comments down below, and I'll answer them as best as I can. So let's get on to March's bag. So the first item from March that we got was this IBY Cheek to Cheek palette, and this retails for $15. This was the item, if you guys remember, that I was the most excited for, and I did not like this at all. It is way too pigmented for me. I swatched it in the video and I don't want to swatch it again. I only used it once. I think I'm going to think about it, but I think I'm going to sanitize this and probably sell it on my Poshmark or Mercai, because I really don't like it. It is just way too pigmented, and I went in with a light hand and it was just too much. I might try it again. Maybe we'll see, and I'll update you guys like maybe in a month or so, but I really did not like it. I was not a fan of it. Next up, we have the Moira Lush Matte Lip Cream in the shade Butter Cake, and this retails for $7. I absolutely have been loving this liquid lipstick. It is so comfortable, so long wearing. The color is just phenomenal. It's probably one of my favorite lip creams I've had in a very long time. It is just perfect. This is like hands down, like I said, my favorite thing. I remember in my March unbagging, I said that I might buy more colors if I liked this, and I think I definitely might, because again, they're $7, so you really can't go wrong there. Next up, I have the Bellaterra Mineral Cosmetics Mascara, and this retails for $19.99. I have received this like in perfect time because I was running out of mascaras, but I really have been loving it. I was afraid I wasn't gonna like it, but I really do. It really helps lengthen my lashes. I love how my lashes look. Just the one thing is, I don't know if it's $19.99, because in my unbagging I said that I couldn't find it, this exact one, on the website, and it was all because of the wand. This is what the wand looks like. It's kind of just big. The wand on the website was different on the mascara, but I'm definitely going to do some research and see what I can find, because I really do enjoy this. Next up, we have the Mirabella Semi-Sweet Eye Crayon, and this retails for $10. I thought this was okay. I used this as an eyeliner. I just took a brush and I just did like a little wing with it. It was alright. I did notice though that it did fade a lot when I curled my eyelashes. I'm gonna try it again though to do like a smoky eye or something. Probably later on I'll film a tutorial with it. I just haven't been feeling a brown smoky eye because it is like spring, so I've been wanting to play with like pinks and purples and like this baby blue that I have in my inner corner. But this, I don't know. And the color, this is what it looks like when you swatch it. It's like a nice like chocolate brown. When I was using it, it was like a really like almost like warm orangey brown on my eye. I have no idea what was going on with it. Again, I'm gonna try it again in a different way. I don't know, it was just weird. And the last item that we got in the March bag is this Douce eyeliner, and it retails for $20. So this is just a really nice, very black eyeliner. I think it's a really nice eyeliner. It's nice and long lasting, and it's really great for tight lining. I loved it for that because it also kind of like smudged down to your waterline. I just really loved how that looked. The overall total for March's bag was $73.99, and overall I think it was an okay bag. I think it was kind of worth it because I really did like the Lush Matte Lip Cream from Moira and the mascara from Bellaterra, and the Douce eyeliner. The Mirabella Eye Crayon was okay. It wasn't my favorite, like I was kind of just saying, and the IBY Cheek to Cheek palette was definitely not my favorite thing, but I'm still gonna play around with it, and if I really don't like it, then I'm just going to get rid of it. So now on to April's bag. I did open it yesterday just to make sure that nothing was damaged. This is the theme of the bag. It just says "You are amazing. Wow, wake up and makeup, XOXO mascara." stuff like that. And if you guys remember from last month, I was talking about how you always get a card, and those cards normally have something on the back with like all the info of all the products. And if you remember, last month it had nothing, and this month again, nothing. Yes, so yes, what are you doing? Why are you becoming like so sketchy? Again, it just says the moment you realize you will never pay for full price makeup again. Your monthly savings 82.2% off retail. More savings, more yes. Yes or yes. I don't get why they're not doing this, like putting the products of what we're getting in the prices. Like, are they trying to save ink? I don't know. No idea. I mean, it takes me like 10 minutes to go on Google and find everything, but it's just so much handier when it's all on the card, so I don't have to go on Google, write everything down and the prices, because all of these things were kind of hard to find on Google, I'm not gonna lie. First, we have this Dossie Blends The Polish Purify, Detoxify, and Glow, and this retails for $17. So I'm not gonna lie, at first I thought this was a sheet mask, and I was gonna say, wow, $17 for a sheet mask, that's pretty pricey. It better make me look like I'm 10 again or something. But now that I'm thinking about it, the polish, I think it's like a body exfoliator, because it also says Purify, Detoxify, Glow. And there's Dead Sea Salt, Activated Charcoal, Coconut Oil, Coffee, Balancing Essential Oil Blend, and if you can hear, it's like sandy in there. So this sounds pretty nice. Make sure you're following me on like Instagram, links down below, Twitter, link down below, and you're subscribed to me, because I'll obviously talk about this in next month's bag, and or next month's unboxing, and I'll probably just talk about this on social media as well. It sounds nice. I just wish like we got the card and it said on the back like what exactly these products were, because I wasn't like looking into details last night when I was writing everything down. Next up is this Bodyography Electric Lip Slide, and it is in the shade Cupid's Bow, and it retails for $20. So this, I think it might be a liquid lipstick. I'm not 100% sure. Again, I didn't like read on the websites, but this is the color. Just a nice, pretty, like peachy pink color. Perfect for the spring and summer. So I'm excited for it. It looks really nice, and I actually kind of like the packaging, how it's like a lip gloss tube, but it actually has a brush like a liquid lipstick or a normal lip gloss. So this looks nice. Next up, we got this Sorme Lip Brush, and I think it retails for $14. The reason why I say I think it retails for $14 is because I could not find anywhere on the Sorme website just like individually sold brushes. They only come in like a kit, so that was kind of annoying. Am I thrilled that I got a lip brush? No, it's very lightweight, and I did not realize, I was like, wow, this is so long. Like, why is it so lightweight? Because you're supposed to do that, and then you put it like this, and then it kind of looks like a little pencil. But I'm not thrilled that I got a lip brush, but it is really, really fluffy, so I'll probably use it for eyeshadow, because it looks like a better eyeshadow brush to me, and it's very dusty. The next product that we got is the Studio Makeup Line Styler pen, and this retails for $18. So this is just a really nice eyeliner pen. It's very black. I did swatch this yesterday. It's a felt tip. I know some people don't like that. You guys can tell. It is like really sturdy and like nice feeling. I did swatch this yesterday when it came, and this eyeliner does not budge. So I'm excited for that. And on the website, I did see when I was getting the price of this that it is supposed to be crease proof. So I'm really, really excited to try this, because I feel like eyeliners just don't live up to their claims sometimes. So we'll put that one to the test. And then the last product is the palette that we got for this month, and this is the Amore US Lady Boss palette, and this retails for $9. I'm really excited for this palette. I think that the colors are really pretty, and I really like that there's a mix between colorful shades and more neutral shades, which is always really nice. I will swatch a few for you. I'll do this shade right here, which is Wanderer. I want to do Statements, and I want to do Focused and CEO. So I'm doing 2 shimmers and 2 mattes. So first, I'm running out of room here. All right, we're gonna go this way. So first is Wonder. This looks like it'll be a pretty topper shade, or better when it's used when it's wet. Then we have Statement. It's really light purple. Then we have Focused, which is like a nice blue. and then CEO, which kind of just looks like, yeah, it's like a rosy shade. So those are the shadows right here. They look okay. I mean, they look like $9 eyeshadows, but you never know, they could perform better on the eyes. I have very dry hands, so my swatches are never the absolute best. So I'm excited for it. Definitely look out for some tutorials and a review with this because I will definitely be reviewing it. The total retail value of this bag is $78. I think it's pretty worth it. I'm excited to try everything out, so make sure, like I said before, you are subscribed to my channel so you don't miss out on next month's unbagging and review of this month. And that is it for this month's Yes So Yes unbagging. Let me know in the comments down below what you think of this bag, and also let me know if there's any specific videos you want to see with any of the products. I will gladly get those up for you as soon as I possibly can. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Make sure you're following me on all my social media. That's always linked down below in the description box. If you guys have any video suggestions, let me know in the comments down below. Or if you just want to leave a comment saying hey, please do that too. And that is all I have to say. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!